Installing a kitchen faucet is easier than assembling IKEA furniture and far more rewarding, yet millions of Americans still pay $1,50300 in labor costs for something they could do themselves in under an hour. Why? Because they think it's hard, or worse, they've been told it is. Let's change that. Right now, an outdated or leaking kitchen faucet doesn't just waste water, it wastes time, increases your utility bill, and slowly chips away at the value of your kitchen, your home's most expensive and used space. In fact, a dripping faucet can waste up to 3,000 gallons of water a year. That's like 180 showers down the drain. But here's the good news: replacing your faucet is one of the most high-impact, low-cost upgrades you can make, and yes, you can do it. So how do you know it's time? Water pressure suddenly dropped, you see rust, gunk, or cracks, the finish looks dated or doesn't match your kitchen's vibe, or you just want a smarter, sleeker, touchless upgrade. If any of those sound familiar, you're in the right place. And before you panic, no, you don't need a toolbox that looks like Batman's utility belt. All you need is a wrench, plumber's tape, a towel, and about 30 minutes. That's it. No plumber. No panic. No problem. Here's the game plan. Step 1. Shut off the water supply. Look under the sink, turn those valves righty-tighty to stop the flow. Step 2. Disconnect the old faucet. Use your wrench to loosen the nuts underneath. Don't forget the basin wrench if space is tight. Keep a towel handy, some water will spill. Step 3. Clean the surface. Once the old faucet's out, wipe away any old sealant or grime. Step 4. Install the new faucet. Feed the lines through the hole. Secure the mounting hardware from underneath and hand tighten first, then wrench tighten. Step 5. Connect the water lines. Use plumber's tape for a snug, leak-free seal. Attach the hot and cold supply lines and double check your connections. Step 6. Turn the water back on. Test for leaks. If it's dry, congrats. You just upgraded your kitchen yourself. Now, if you think this was easy, wait until you see what a smart faucet can really do. From motion sensors to voice control, our next video breaks down the best smart faucets of 2025 and how they pay for themselves in just months. Trust us, you don't want to miss it. Like this guide? Watch the next video, Top 5 Smart Faucets That Save You Money. And remember, smart homes start with smart choices. You've already made one today.